welcome back. Today I have for you guys another unbagging of the IPSY GLAM Bag Plus. This one is now a $28 subscription. It still comes with the usual 5 items. Let's get into it. I always make weird sound effects whenever I pull things out the bag or when I open the box. Sometimes I edit them out, but I always do it. But anyways, this is the bag we get for this month. It says, "You got this," and some nice shiny letters up front. Do we have a pamphlet? Where's my theme? Scan to get this month's theme. I have to use one of these QR codes? All right, let's try it. Oh yeah, and then it takes me to an article on IPSY's website and it says, "You got this, September's theme will help hype you up for the fall." I mean, you still get the same pamphlet that they always do. What's the point of this? But anyways, September bag. By the way, you guys, I do need to mention that I did forget to make my selections once again this month. I have had a lot of things slipping my mind lately, and it's, you know, with grief, you kind of have a little bit of memory slipping. You get a little bit of like the foggy brain or whatnot, so certain things I have been not really remembering that I need to do. Not just with like dates of like subscription boxes, it's random things that I'm supposed to be doing and I'm like telling myself like I gotta do something and then I completely forget until like a week later. So I am taking steps to start remembering things. I am ordering myself a calendar. I now have a notepad that I'm keeping that I'm now gonna start writing in anything that I have to do because it literally slips my mind. So hopefully by the next bag I will have made selections again. Just want to mention that this bag is a total surprise to me. So with that out the way, let's get into the stuff. And I'm gonna start with this big one because I just really want to know what this is. It looks like it got a little bit beat up in transit though. But this is the Lifestyle Co. Radiant Glow Botanical Oil Cleanser. Oh, how nice! You actually get a little pump with it. I do really like that. I feel like some of the cleansers that I use, they miss a little pump action. But let's read a little into this. It's supposed to be oil to help break down, build up, dissolve makeup without stripping the skin, to leave a soft, supple feeling. And they say it is best for makeup removal. Ooh, okay. That sounds really good to me. I do try to stay away from like using anything like makeup wipes or anything like that. So I do a double cleanse at night. So if something has a little bit of oil in it that could help strip away the makeup, I definitely am all on board for trying that. Because sometimes certain cleansers that I try, no matter if I do like a double cleanse or something like that, there's still makeup on the skin and it is so frustrating. And then you gotta go in with something a little bit stronger, like an oil afterwards, to try to get some of that makeup. So fingers crossed that one works really well. Let's go back to the bag though and grab another big item. This is by Somme Institute. They call it Transport. No clue what that means. And it's the Transport Pads Exfoliate and Hydrates Without Irritation. Aha, so then that name kind of makes sense. On the package it just says Transport. Let's just take a look. Actually smells really good too. What scent is that? It smells really like fresh. I wonder what that is. Oh, it says it's got orange peel extract in it. I wonder if that's what I'm smelling. Also has some lavender, some lime. Oh, I think it's the lime. I think that's kind of like the swirl of fragrance I'm sniffing. Yep, smells good. But let's see, what is this one supposed to do here? So it's supposed to exfoliate the dead skin cells, unclog the blocked pores. That sounds good. And then it also says it's supposed to deliver vitamins to help with the resiliency, hydration, and encouraging cell renewal. All right, but back into the bag, let's grab our third item. And that seems like it is a brush. This is from the YC collection. It is a powder blush brush. She feels very soft and fluffy. And I do love the color scheme that this one has, and with the pink and the black accent, even on the actual brush itself with the bristles, that's a nice little touch. But now back into the bag for the product. This one looks familiar. Hold on. Hold up. Yep. Is it the same exact one? Yeah, it is. Okay, so let me show you mine so I can save this one. So this is the Alleyoop. It is a 3-tiered little stackable product here called Sassy Pants. Stack the odds. And it comes with a highlighter, a blush, and a contour. And it is a great little trio. This one I do really enjoy that you get the contour, the blush, and the highlight all in one little compact. So if you are planning to travel somewhere, I do think that that is very convenient because then you can just toss this one in there and you don't need to worry about any of the like compacts for this. You just toss this one in it and you got everything you need, which is a really nice feature. This one was a part of a boxycharm box though, so that's why I have this one. I think it was like literally just last month or the month before. So already have it. I guess maybe if I would have made my selection, I would have gotten out of that one. I don't actually know if that one was a selection item, but I mean, yeah, good little product for this guy. And then lastly, for our 5th and final item, we got the Seraphine Botanicals Fruit Butter Lip Mask. This one is apparently an intensive overnight lip mask that is supposed to envelop the lips in a shea butter and apricot kernel oil to deliver intense hydration, softness, and elasticity while you sleep. Oh, it even says that it's supposed to rescue your lips from early signs of fine lines. You don't really see that much written on lip treatment masks, so that one kind of catches me a little bit by surprise. That's why I gotta mention it. So I mean, for like a lip mask, that sounds good. But that was it for our Glam Bag Plus for the month of September. It was a quick little unbagging here since I just have this one to unbox with you. Let's quickly do a value calculation here. And this box actually had a really good value, so $199 in value here. There were definitely some high-priced items this time around. The exfoliating pads were $65 themselves and the cleanser was $49, so 2 big ticket items there. Overall, this month's bag was definitely more skincare based. I mean, that's kind of what I do expect when it comes to IPSY. I do expect generally more skincare versus makeup, especially if I don't mix my selections. They tend to gravitate towards giving me skincare. As far as the products go, they were good products. I mean, I think it was a decent box this month. Was it anything truly exciting? No, I think it was just that. It was kind of basic. It was missing a little bit of a wow moment for me. I feel like that's kind of something that I always want to look for in a subscription box, is something that gets me really excited about it. This was a box that's like, yeah, good items, I'll definitely use them, but it's nothing that has me like, I need to try this right away. Like, let me dig into it. It was just like, all right, that was good. But of course, that's just my opinion on it. I definitely want to hear what your guys' thoughts were on this box down below, because that is where we are going to be wrapping up today's video. So if you liked today's video, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.